Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily crop a screenshot on the iPhone 17 Pro. So if you want to edit your screenshots quickly, then what you have to do is take a screenshot first. So hold the power button and the volume up button. And after that, you will see something like this. So now we have to grab either the edges or something. And as you guys can see, it will just cut our screen. So I want to screenshot my calendar. Now, after we crop it, as you guys can see, this is definitely cropped. We can save it to Photos, Files, or to a quick note. We can also copy and delete, or simply delete the screenshots if we don't like it. So I saved it to the Photos. Now let's open up the Photos app, and here we have our cropped screenshot. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.